So this is the view today from my open house at 100 Tyler Trail. You can see it's just lovely out in the lake today. The sun's kind of creeping out. There's actually some fishermen out in the lake starting to enjoy a very early spring bass fishing season. So I just thought I'd share a little bit of this with my market minute today and give you a quick update. So let me just jump into the picture. Hey, it's Dan from the Licata group at Keller Williams Capital Properties. Today's rule for new buyers or old buyers who have forgotten: don't forget your closing costs. It's my rule number 3. Closing costs in Virginia can range anywhere from 2.5% to 2.75%. In Maryland and the District of Columbia, they're even higher. So you don't want to forget these costs when you start thinking about how much money you're going to bring to a table. Lenders will also tell you you don't have to bring 20% down and consider closing costs. There are many great products out there with federal guarantees that don't require 20% down. Ask your loan officer about the one that fits you. But that being said, when you start to talk about costs, the loan officer will prepare a loan estimate for you based upon your purchasing power, so you know how much you have to bring to the settlement table. That'll be important because you don't want a purchase to fall through because you didn't have enough cash or you didn't think about it. So we're here to give you the tools, we're here to give you the advice. Call us, talk to us. Even if you're not a client, we want to make sure you're an educated buyer. That's all today for today's Market Minute. Again, it's Dan Seiler with the Licata Group, thanking you for plugging on to our YouTube channel. Take care.